Hey everybody, it's Leah, and this is Let's Get High on Yarn. I did a video last week about Burnett Softy Baby yarn, and I had ordered a large box of different colors of this yarn, and I was really hoping it would, be a good yarn, it would work up good, and I'd really like it because I like to make baby items. So I got the yarn, and I made a few items with it, and I really like it. It's super soft. I have a couple of balls here with me. I bought probably, like, I don't know, 8 or 9 different colors to make different things, but I really like this pink. Oh, it's got something on it. Anyway, I really like this a lot. It's super soft, works up really nice, frog's good. Oh, it's tested on not many things to keep it safe. That's cool. Let me show you. I made a couple of bonnets for baby. This is the large size bonnet. And this is a newborn size. All right. And then I made a few sweaters. I really want to make a dress because I really do. I like how this worked up. This is the newborn size, a neat purple color, and then this is the pink one. This is about a size 8 or 9 months old, and this is a newborn. The next thing I wanted to talk to you about is an unbagging. My next video I wanted to make, I wanted to open 2 bags from Sheepies. Let's show you here what I got. I've got one here, and one of them's got like a mystery bag in it, and the other one is yarn that I actually ordered to try out. I think this is the one that has a mystery bag in it. But come and hang out with me on my next video, and we'll open these up and see what we got in there, because gotta try them out. All right, you guys, that's it for this video. Next I'll probably make a dress out of this yarn, and if you make baby products and you find a yarn that you really like, I wish you'd share it with me in the comments. Tell me what your favorite baby yarn is to work with. All right, I apologize for my raspy voice. I've had a bad cold, so hopefully I'm on the hump of getting better. So anyway, till next time, guys.